Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul and a new handbag unboxing. I am very excited. I'm on a low buy this year and everything is within the rules of my low buy. I am also on a low buy for fashion items. So yeah, I'm trying not to buy too many accessories, clothing, handbags, but this one is stunning and I was so excited about it. If you're interested in the makeup that I'm wearing, I did film this look as a part of a video I did where I was shopping my stash for similar shades to the ABH Nouveau palette. So yeah, if you're interested, check that out. I'll link it in the cards and the description box. Let's get started. I'll talk about the Ulta stuff first, and then I will talk about the handbag. And there is one thing that I did get in PR that I will mention as well that is sold at Ulta, so I thought I'd include that in this video. The first thing, I did buy this myself, and I've wanted this for a really long time. It is the PMD. It's personal microderm abrasion, and I've been hearing about this product on YouTube for over 10 years. People used to talk about this all the time. There were a ton of sponsored videos actually. And so let me show you what it looks like and then I'll kind of tell you what it's supposed to do. So this is the device here. This is $160 at Ulta. And yeah, I didn't use points or anything, but it's something I've wanted for a long time, and the reason I ended up getting this is that I was actually considering going to a salon to get microdermabrasion done. And I was looking it up online, and just one treatment is like $150. And it's something you have to kind of keep getting. So I was like, well, this thing is $160, so maybe I should just buy this. That's what I did. So basically, let me first show you. So the box here tells you, so the benefits are supposed to be, it's supposed to increase hydration, reduce appearance of pore sizes, reduce appearance of fine line and wrinkles, even skin tone and texture, and diminish the appearance of dark spots. So I have hyperpigmentation, I have melasma, and I have fine lines, all of that. I'm 37, that's pretty normal. So it says, so it's exfoliation, it's got a vacuum suction, and then once the dull skin is removed, skincare products can penetrate deeper. Now, if you've ever read reviews for this on Ulta, most of the reviews are good, but there's a good chunk of reviews where people say this thing burned their face and caused scabs. So I was very nervous. I've used this once so far and that didn't happen. So basically it's like a suction thing. It has, let me show you, these little things here that do like the exfoliation, and there's a vacuum suction thing that happens. So you hold your face like this and you go over it in lines. So I watched the instruction video. And then you just plug it in, by PMD, and read a lot about it. And I think that maybe some of the people that had issues with it, maybe they didn't follow the instructions, I don't know. Or maybe they've got really sensitive skin, because this is exfoliation and it's like suctioning to your face. I've only used it once and none of that happened to me, like no injuries, my face was not burned. So that is good, I'm telling you, I was scared. So it comes with like a test cap where you just practice doing it, because the suction can be kind of jarring when you're first doing it because it literally suctions your face. So I did that. I first did like the test round where it's not actually exfoliating. You just practice the maneuver. And then I used this blue one. So the blue one is the super sensitive one. So it comes with the white training disc, which is the just training one. It doesn't exfoliate. Very sensitive gray discs, sensitive blue discs, and then the moderate green discs. So, like I said, I've only used this once. We'll see about the long-term benefits, but the good news is that it didn't burn my face. So yeah, let me know if you have that and if you've seen long-term benefits, or if you've gotten microdermabrasion done at a salon. I've never done that, so yeah, I was pretty excited about that. I prefer to do my skincare at home. I don't get facials or anything like that. I've never had any like laser treatments or Botox or whatever. I don't know. It's just, I prefer to just do it myself at home and do the best that I can. So that's why I bought that. Okay, I bought 2 new nail polishes. I've been trying not to buy as much nail polish this year because I have a lot, but I really love nail polish. And I gotta say, this line from Essie, I am actually really enjoying this. The regular Essie line, I'm not as into. I feel like it chips very quickly, but this is called the Expressy line. They have such cool shades. So this light neutral is called Daily Grind. I wore this in a couple videos. And then this lovely green is called Precious Cargo Go. This one's really, really awesome. I love greens. I'm wearing a color by Sally Hansen. I'll list it in the description box. I do have 2 other shades of this line, and I gotta say I really like it. And they have some very interesting colors. I think it's better quality than the regular Essie line. And it does have one of these flat brushes, which I love because it just makes painting your nails so much easier. So yeah, these are great. Let me talk about what I got in PR because I am just so excited about this. I got the Ordinary's new hair care line in PR from them, and I have been loving it. So they're wet because I literally just pulled these out of my shower. This is the hair and body cleanser. So you can use this as shampoo or body wash, and I've used it for both. And I'm already like halfway through this. I already placed an order to get another one of these because I love it so much. So it says it's sulfate 4% cleanser for body and hair, gentle cleansing formula. I feel like this is such a lightweight shampoo and it makes my hair like so soft and bouncy. This is 8.1 fluid ounces and I think it's only $9, which The Ordinary has really good prices. So yeah, I got this one in PR, but I already went ahead and bought one because I'm halfway through it. And then this is their lightweight conditioner. And this one is really nice too. I've been really trying to take better care of my hair. I really want to grow it out. And in the last month and a half, I've only used heat on my hair maybe once or twice, which is why my hair hasn't looked like super great in videos, but I'm just trying not to use heat on it so that it will be healthier and grow. And I really like this and the shampoo. I'm so impressed. And then the other 2 things, I haven't used these as much, but I did seem to like them when I used them. This is their Natural Moisturizing Factors. It's a hydrating scalp serum. So you just put a few like drops in your scalp. And actually I have a really dry scalp and I really liked this. And then this is their multi-peptide hair serum. And similar thing, it's like a very lightweight oil. This one's clear, but yeah, it's much more liquidy than an oil. So I just put a couple drops in my hair and I really liked the effect of these. So this one is more like milky. I really like these. So we'll see. I've only used these a couple times, but I've used the shampoo and conditioner like the last 3 to 4 times I've washed my hair, and I'm a really, really big fan. Alrighty, and last but not least is my new handbag. And I got the Coach Pillow Tabby. Now this has been pretty hyped up on social media. I've seen a lot of like fashion bloggers and like fashion people on Instagram have this bag. Most Coach designs I'm not that into, but I really loved this. And I've seen people have it in so many different colors. And I was just very, very attracted to it. I love this whole like puffy leather look here. So this is the larger one. They have a smaller one, and I was actually thinking that I would want the smaller one, but I am glad I went to the Coach store and saw them in person. The small one, like I like small handbags, and the small one was like here. It was tiny. And I think because it's like puffy and tiny, it just looked kind of weird. I looked like I was carrying a purse for dolls. It just looked so tiny on me. Could be that I'm 5'7". I think some of the fashion bloggers I've seen carry the mini pillow tabby are a lot shorter than me perhaps, so it might just look better on their frame. But this one, I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. This is the perfect size for me. And this leather is so soft. And this was on sale. I've been mentioning that I've wanted to get a pink handbag, but the more I thought about it, I just feel like I wouldn't get a lot of use out of a bright pink handbag. This is more like a salmon peach, but this surprisingly goes with so many colors. It actually looks really good with green. I wore it with a green blazer and it looked really, really nice. So yeah, I'll show you some pictures what it looks like on me. Like I said, I'm 5'7". This is like perfect for my frame. And it's so soft and it's so beautiful. And this color was on sale at the Coach store. Not all the colors are on sale. This one and one other shade were on sale. This bag I think is originally like almost 500. The small one is 400. This was on sale for 340, which is still a lot, but I thought it was a good deal and it was the color I really wanted. So it worked out and I've had this for a week and a half and I'm really enjoying it. So it has a magnetic closure here and it has multiple compartments on the inside, and it also comes with a shorter strap that you could just carry on your shoulder. I actually have not used that one yet. I've only used the crossbody strap, but it comes with both, which is nice. And so it has two compartments here and then also a zipper compartment in the middle. I actually have not even used this zipper compartment yet. I am someone who carries smaller purses. I don't bring a lot with me. I just need card holder, keys, my phone, hand sanitizer, a couple other small things. This actually fits more than a lot of my smaller purses do. It fits a lot. It's got a lot of room inside, but it's not bulky. I don't know. I just love the way this looks. I love the leather. The color is amazing. And yeah, the color actually goes with so much more than I thought it would. So, and yeah, I've been really enjoying carrying it with the crossbody strap, but I do like that it came with this and you have the option. But yeah, they sell this bag in quite a few different colors. So yeah, most Coach designs haven't been for me, but this one is beautiful. That is it for this haul. Not a whole lot of stuff. No makeup, actually. I have not bought any makeup in June yet. I'm trying to hold off. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. There's still time. But yeah, I'm really excited to use the PMD more and I'll let you guys know. So yeah, like I said, I've only used this once, but it didn't cause me like all the irritation that I read that can happen to some people. Oh, also I should say, it very clearly says, do not use retinoids or hydroxy acids 48 hours before and 48 hours after using this, because that will make you much more prone to injuring your skin. So I do use both of those ingredients and I did not use them for 48 hours before I used this. So I planned ahead and yeah, I'm really excited to see how it goes. If I feel like it gives long lasting results, let us know if you've tried this. I mean, if this gives good results, it's so much cheaper to just buy this than go get microdermabrasion at a salon, which, like I said, was like $150 per session. So crazy. That is it for this video. Let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in the makeup I'm wearing, like I said, I filmed that too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.